We're here at the beautiful Wheatacre White Lion in the south-Norfolk countryside to share just a few of the ways we help pubs and restaurants promote their menus, special offers, events, and ultimately draw in more customers. Now, of course, the theme and decor will influence the style and aesthetic of your choices, but we believe you simply can't go wrong with a country oak and chalkboard combination for that traditional, warm and welcoming feel. First up, we have chalk A-boards from our very own joinery workshop, Woodworks. Each A-board is lovingly handcrafted on-site using only sustainably sourced timber. Also from our Woodworks workshop, we have the easel. It's simple, elegant, and provides a wider choice of display options than any other easel on the market. Next, we have tabletop chalkboards, available in custom shapes and a range of sizes, perfect for numbering dining tables or up at the bar to showcase the drink of the day. Speaking of the bar, we have an absolute must-have for countertop protection and eye-catching promotion. Our premium bar runners boast stunning print definition, plus they're easy to wipe clean and are machine washable. So, for more information on the products featured today or any other pub and restaurant promotional solutions, please get in touch today.